Welcome back to the Peak Performance Podcast. I'm your host, Brad Young, and today we're taking a deep dive into a topic that's pushing the boundaries of recovery, resilience, and performance enhancement across all disciplines of physical activity. Whether you're an elite athlete, a dedicated service member, or a weekend warrior chasing personal records, stem cells are the game changing innovation you need to know about. Today's episode is all about understanding stem cells, their potential to transform injury recovery, and how they can help you maintain peak performance no matter what you do. I'm currently preparing to undergo stem cell therapy for my shoulder and knee, and I couldn't be more excited about the potential it holds for recovery and long term performance. After researching its benefits and hearing success stories from others in the fitness community, this felt like the right step to tackle lingering pain and improve mobility. Over the next few weeks, I'll be documenting my experience, including updates on the procedure, recovery process, and timeline. I'm looking forward to sharing real results and insights to help anyone else considering this innovative approach to healing and performance enhancement. Stay tuned. What are stem cells? Think of stem cells as the raw materials of your body capable of transforming into specialized cells with unique functions. They're like the building blocks that can become anything your body needs, whether that's muscle, cartilage, nerve cells, or even blood cells. Stem cells are often compared to a Swiss Army knife for your biology, providing the tools your body requires to repair and regenerate itself. Their adaptability and versatility are what make them crucial in advancing medicine, revolutionizing the way we recover from injuries, manage degenerative conditions, and maintain peak physical performance. Here's the magic of stem cells. They have the unique ability to divide and create new cells, helping to replace damaged or aging tissue. Under the right conditions, they can stimulate your body's natural healing processes, assisting in repairing damage on a cellular level. Unlike traditional treatments that often mask symptoms, stem cells work by addressing the root cause of an injury or condition, promoting faster, more complete, and more natural healing. Stem cell therapy is a growing field of medical innovation, offering hope to individuals dealing with chronic pain, degenerative diseases, or injuries that were once thought to be untreatable. By tapping into the body's natural repair system, stem cells are unlocking new possibilities for recovery and long term health. How do stem cells promote peak performance? Cells address the root of the issue by actively regenerating and repairing damaged tissue. Recovery is the foundation of performance. Without proper healing, even the most determined individual will eventually hit a wall, unable to push forward. This is where stem cells come into play and truly change the game. For athletes striving for their next personal best, soldiers enduring intense physical demands, or even casual fitness enthusiasts looking to stay active, these tiny biological powerhouses offer a unique advantage. Unlike traditional recovery methods, which often focus on managing symptoms or masking pain, stem cells address the problem at its core: repair and regeneration. Stem cells have the remarkable ability to transform into specialized cell types, helping to regenerate damaged tissue, reduce inflammation, and accelerate the body's natural healing process. This means shorter recovery times, improved mobility, and the ability to handle higher levels of physical stress. Whether it's repairing a micro tear in muscle fibers or soothing chronic joint pain, stem cells are shaping the future of recovery and performance. For those who refuse to let setbacks stand in their way, stem cell therapy offers a cutting edge solution to push boundaries and achieve peak physical potential. Benefits of stem cell therapy include accelerating healing. Stem cells dramatically speed up tissue repair and regeneration, making them a game changer for recovery. Imagine bouncing back from a muscle tear, ligament strain, or even joint damage in half the time it would typically take. These powerful cells target the damaged area, promoting faster and more efficient healing. This means you can return to training, competition, or simply enjoy your favorite activities without prolonged downtime. Whether you're an athlete or someone recovering from an injury, this advantage is invaluable. Reducing inflammation. Chronic or persistent inflammation is not only painful, but can significantly affect your quality of life. It can keep you sidelined for weeks or even months, making it difficult to stay consistent with your fitness or wellness goals. Stem cell therapy directly targets and combats inflammation at its source, helping to ease pain, improve mobility, and restore function to affected areas. By reducing inflammation, stem cells also support a healthier healing environment, ensuring a smoother recovery process and quicker return to normal activities. Stimulating growth factors. One of the most fascinating aspects of stem cell therapy is its ability to release essential growth factors. These molecules are crucial for enhancing tissue regeneration and repair, making recovery not only faster but more durable. By promoting the development of healthy new cells, stem cell therapy helps fortify your body against future injuries or strains, reducing the risk of setbacks. This regenerative boost is particularly beneficial for athletes or active individuals who push their bodies to the limit and need lasting resilience. Stem cell therapy is a cutting edge solution that is revolutionizing how we approach recovery and performance enhancement. Whether you're striving to break records, overcome demanding physical challenges, or simply want to stay active and pain free, this advanced treatment offers a pathway to optimized healing. By harnessing the body's natural ability to repair itself, stem cell therapy is redefining what's possible in the realms of recovery, wellness, and peak performance. It's more than just a treatment, it's a breakthrough approach that empowers you to perform at your best and stay ahead of the game. Why stem cells are a game changer for injury recovery? Imagine you're dealing with an ACL tear, a torn hamstring, or severe tendonitis. These types of injuries can be debilitating, impacting not just your physical abilities, but your overall quality of life. Under conventional treatments like surgery, physical therapy, or cortisone shots, you might get some relief. However, these approaches often come with long recovery times, risks of complications, and in many cases, incomplete healing. Stem cell therapy changes the game entirely. Rather than just masking the pain or temporarily reducing inflammation, stem cell therapy works by targeting the root of the problem. It helps regenerate and rebuild the damaged tissues at a cellular level. By using your body's own regenerative power, stem cells repair injuries in a way that promotes long term healing and improved functionality. This is why so many professional athletes have turned to stem cell treatment to extend their careers and recover from injuries faster and more effectively than traditional methods allow. Take Rafael Nadal, for example. The tennis legend famously underwent stem cell treatments for knee cartilage damage, which allowed him to not only recover but return to playing at the highest level, competing in and winning major tournaments. Or consider NFL quarterback Peyton Manning, who reportedly used stem cell therapy to address his severe neck injuries. This treatment played a crucial role in his recovery, paving the way for one of the most remarkable comebacks in sports history, culminating in a Super Bowl victory before his retirement. Even outside of the sports world, stem cell therapy is becoming a beacon of hope for anyone dealing with chronic pain, degenerative conditions, or injuries that traditional medicine struggles to address effectively. It's no wonder this cutting edge treatment continues to gain attention as a revolutionary solution for injury recovery and beyond. Promoting tissue regeneration. Stem cells have the unique ability to differentiate into various cell types, including muscle, bone, and cartilage, aiding in the repair of damaged tissues and speeding recovery from injuries. Reducing inflammation. Research shows that mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, secrete anti inflammatory factors which can mitigate swelling and pain in conditions such as arthritis or sports related injuries. Healing neurological damage. Stem cell therapy has demonstrated potential in treating neurological disorders and injuries, with studies suggesting improvements in spinal cord injuries and nerve regeneration. Advancing cardiac recovery. Clinical trials have revealed that stem cells can improve heart function and aid in the repair of heart damage caused by conditions like myocardial infarction. Treating autoimmune diseases. Stem cells are increasingly used to treat autoimmune conditions such as multiple sclerosis and Crohn's disease by modulating the immune response. Regenerating skin and wound healing. Research has highlighted the role of stem cells in accelerating wound closure and skin regeneration, particularly in burn victims. Combating degenerative diseases. Stem cells show promise in addressing degenerative diseases such as osteoarthritis and Parkinson's disease by renewing and preserving affected tissues, alleviating chronic pain. Studies indicate that stem cell therapies can reduce chronic pain by directly encouraging the repair of damaged tissue and restoring function. Exploring cancer treatments. Stem cells are playing a significant role in cutting edge cancer research, offering new possibilities for regenerating healthy tissues destroyed during aggressive treatments. Scientific advances continue to expand our understanding of stem cells, unlocking their potential to treat an extensive range of injuries and diseases while enhancing the overall quality of life for countless individuals. Sources of stem cells. Stem cell therapies have become a cornerstone of regenerative medicine, offering innovative solutions for a range of health conditions. There are two main types of stem cell therapies, and understanding their differences is key to choosing the best option for your needs. 1. Autologous treatments, your own stem cells. These stem cells are sourced directly from your own body, typically from bone marrow or adipose, fat tissue. Because the cells are harvested from your own body, there is no risk of rejection or adverse immune reactions. This makes autologous treatments particularly safe and effective. They are commonly used for conditions such as joint injuries, muscle tears, and degenerative diseases, helping to promote natural healing and reduce inflammation. The process involves extracting the cells, processing them to concentrate the stem cells, and reintroducing them into the targeted area of the body. Second, allogeneic treatments, donor stem cells. These stem cells are sourced from donors, typically from placental or umbilical cord tissue, which are rich in young and highly versatile stem cells. Allogeneic treatments are especially beneficial for individuals whose bodies may not produce enough healthy stem cells due to aging, genetic factors, or certain medical conditions. Donor stem cells are carefully screened and processed to ensure safety and compatibility, reducing the risk of adverse reactions while providing robust regenerative properties. This option is often used to address more complex or systemic issues, as donor stem cells can adapt and integrate effectively into the patient's body. Both autologous and allogeneic treatments are widely used in regenerative medicine and have their unique advantages. The choice between the two depends on factors like the type and severity of the injury, recovery goals, overall health, and the recommendation of your healthcare provider. By tailoring the approach to each individual, stem cell therapies offer a promising path to enhanced healing and improved quality of life. Who can benefit? What's incredible about stem cell therapy is that it's not limited to just one group. It's a groundbreaking solution that can help a wide range of people recover faster, heal more effectively, and improve their quality of life. Let's take a closer look at how it benefits the three key audiences we're discussing today for elite athletes. These are individuals pushing their bodies to the maximum every day, whether on the field, the court, or the track. For them, even a minor injury can mean weeks on the sidelines, jeopardizing their career or performance. Stem cells allow athletes to speed up recovery from grueling injuries like ligament tears, tendon damage, or joint issues. Not only that, but stem cell therapy is also being explored as a way to prevent future injuries by promoting tissue regeneration and reducing inflammation. It's a game changer for those who rely on peak physical condition. For military units, service members often endure physically demanding conditions leading to combat injuries, stress fractures, and long-term damage from the rigors of intensive training. Stem cell therapy is providing hope for these challenges by helping heal injuries that previously required long recovery times or invasive surgeries. The Department of Defense has heavily invested in stem cell research, recognizing its potential to help soldiers return to duty faster and healthier. From repairing damaged cartilage to regenerating muscle tissue, stem cells are offering military personnel a safer, more effective path to recovery. For weekend warriors, you don't need a multi-million-dollar contract or military background to benefit from stem cells. Recreational athletes, those who enjoy running marathons, playing pickup basketball, or hitting the gym, are increasingly turning to stem cell therapy for healing. These therapies help with common issues like sprains, strains, overuse injuries, and even chronic inflammation. Whether it's recovering from a torn muscle or alleviating joint pain, stem cells empower weekend warriors to pursue their passions without being held back by discomfort or long term damage. People who are sick or have chronic diseases. Stem cell therapy is also transforming the lives of those dealing with chronic illnesses or degenerative diseases. For individuals with conditions like arthritis, Parkinson's, or multiple sclerosis, stem cells offer a cutting edge approach to regeneration and repair. By targeting damaged tissues and reducing inflammation, these treatments are giving patients a chance to experience relief, improve mobility, and a better quality of life. With ongoing research into how stem cells can treat or even cure various diseases, the possibilities are expanding, bringing hope to millions worldwide. A simple 4-step process to peak performance with stem cells. Curious about how stem cell therapy works? You may be surprised at how straightforward the process is. Here's a detailed look at how it typically unfolds. Consultation. The journey begins with a visit to a sports medicine physician or regenerative specialist. During this consultation, your injury is thoroughly reviewed, and the doctor evaluates if stem cell therapy is the right option for your specific condition. They will also discuss the potential benefits, risks, and expected outcomes, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Harvest and preparation. If your own stem cells are being used, they will need to be harvested from your body. This is typically done by extracting a sample from your bone marrow, often from the hip or from fat tissue, through a minimally invasive procedure. If donor stem cells are being used, the medical team will carefully prepare the most suitable type based on your injury and treatment plan. These cells are then concentrated and processed to ensure they are ready for optimal effectiveness. Injection procedure. Once the stem cells are prepared, they are injected directly into the injury site with precision. Depending on the injury and treatment approach, imaging technology like ultrasound or X-ray guidance may be used to ensure accuracy. Most procedures are minimally invasive, performed on an outpatient basis, and typically require little to no anesthesia. You can expect minimal downtime after the injection, allowing you to get back to your routine quickly. Recovery and rehabilitation. Recovery is a critical part of the process to maximize the benefits of your stem cell treatment. Your doctor will provide a tailored recovery plan, which often includes rest, physical therapy, and a gradual reintroduction to activity. This phase focuses on helping your body heal while strengthening the affected area, ensuring you can return to peak performance safely and effectively. By following these 4 steps, stem cell therapy offers a promising and innovative approach to healing and recovery, helping you regain mobility and reduce pain naturally. What's next for stem cells? Stem cells aren't a futuristic solution anymore. They're here and they're already changing the game for recovery and performance in ways we couldn't have imagined just a decade ago. These remarkable cells have the ability to repair, regenerate, and even replace damaged tissues, offering new hope for athletes, active individuals, and anyone recovering from injuries. As accessible as stem cell therapy has become, ongoing research continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Scientists are exploring how stem cells can be used to treat more complex injuries, accelerate healing times, and even prevent chronic conditions from developing. Who knows, 10 years from now, stem cell technology could make career-ending injuries or long-term mobility issues things of the past. For now, their potential to revolutionize recovery and performance is unmatched. Whether you're aiming for that next gold medal, working towards achieving your personal best at the gym, preparing for your weekly hiking adventures, or simply trying to move pain-free again, stem cell therapy might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. It's an exciting time for innovation in health and recovery, and stem cells are leading the charge. Start your journey. If today's episode resonated with you, I encourage you to take the next step toward improving your health and performance. Dive deeper into the possibilities of stem cell therapy by researching its potential benefits and breakthroughs. Consult a trusted sports medicine expert who can guide you on the right path, or explore clinics in your area that specialize in regenerative medicine to see what options align with your recovery goals. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand your options, the better equipped you'll be to make a truly transformational decision for your health and future. Thanks for tuning in to episode 43 of the Peak Performance Podcast. I'm Brad Young, and it's always my mission to help you strive for greatness, unlock your potential, and never stop learning. If you found value in this episode, please subscribe so you don't miss future insights and share it with someone who might benefit from hearing this message. Together, we can build a community focused on optimal health and peak performance. Until next time, here's to your health recovery and achieving your highest performance. Keep pushing forward. You got this.